Good evening friends, welcome to my channel. So today's date is 17th April, Friday. So evening around 8 o'clock, 8:15. Okay. So in this video I am going to discuss about the weekend result analysis of the stocks which I have suggested during the starting of this week. Okay. So these are the stocks I suggested and these are the levels I mentioned to buy or sell. So friends, in my previous video I did not mention about the stop loss. I did not specifically given the figure for stop loss. Just I mentioned like you follow a stop loss of 5% for delivery positions and a stop loss of 1% for intraday. Okay, whereas in this video I have kept this stop loss column also. Okay, and I have given a follow-up video on 13/04 for 13th April. Okay, so now the week is over. What happened to our stocks? Let us discuss. First one is Ashok Leyland. So I suggested to buy above 46 rupees. Okay, stop loss 43.7. okay, target 1 47.5, target 2 50. So during this week it made a high of 51.50 and our target is achieved. We got a decent profit. Okay, approximately 9 to 10% of profit we got. Next, Ambuja Cement. I suggested to buy above 161 and stop loss 152.95. Okay, so what is the result? So week high it made 175, so that means our target is achieved. Here also we got decent profits, approximately 7 rupees profit. Next one, Apollo Tyre. Suggested to buy above 91, stop loss 86.45. So price triggered, the price of 91 triggered on 16th April. It went all the way high to 99 during this week. So that means our target is achieved and we are in decent profits. Okay, so approximately 8 rupees profit means approximately 8 to 9% profit. Next, Cummins India. So told to buy above 360 rupees, stop loss 342. It made a week high of 406 during this week. Of course our target is achieved. Okay, so approximately we got a profit of 35 rupees, means approximately 9 to 10%. Then Glenmark. So I told to buy above rupees 251, stop loss 238.45. so it closed at 314 rupees. Okay, our first target achieved at 260. So on 13th April itself. So there I told you to book partial profits and remaining quantity to hold. Okay, remaining quantity is sold at, let us say, some 310 or 314 something. Okay, so anyway we got very good profits in this also. Okay, so approximately, so I cannot calculate, just approximately I am telling you, we bought about 251 on the initial day itself. it closed at 308, means approximately 20% profit. Okay, after that another 2-3%, approximately we got 20 to 22% in Glenmark. Very excellent profits. Okay, next HCL Technologies. I told you to buy above 470, stop loss was 446.5. So entry price triggered on 16th April. Okay, and it closed at 455. That means our target did not achieve. Okay, and it closed in loss because we bought above 470 and it closed at 455. So it is a loss. So we should make it red color. It is a loss. Loss just. Approximately what will be the loss? Buying price 470, closing price 455, approximately 15 rupees. So approximately 4% loss. Okay. Next, Hindustan Unilever. Okay. So I recommended to sell below 2345. So on 14th April it made a low of 2317. Okay, but after that stop loss triggered. Okay, so in this counter also we lost. Okay, maybe around our loss will be around 2345. Okay, yeah, that means 5% loss. Stop loss means 5%, right? So in Hindustan Unilever we lost 5%. Next, SR Transfin. I told you to buy above 681. Okay, stop loss not calculated. No problem, friends, leave it, because already on 14th April, I mean 13th April itself, stop loss got hit. Okay, so on that day intraday profits booked, but positional stop loss hit. So that means we lost 5% on that day itself. That position is closed on 13th April itself. Next, Ujjivan. I asked you to buy above 155, stop loss was 147.25. Okay, week high, it went all the way high to 198 also. All our targets achieved. Okay, so approximately 155 to the highest target 185, that is 30 rupees, approximately 18 to 19% profits. Excellent profits, 18 to 19%. Okay, the next one, Eicher Motors was asked to buy above 14,050 rupees. Stop loss was 13,347 rupees. Okay, entry price triggered on 17th April, that means today itself, and it made a high of 14,975 and our first target achieved. See, I mean almost second target achieved, 15,000. Okay, so means approximately 900 rupees profit in this counter. 900 means approximately some 6-7%. Okay, next, ITC. I recommended to buy above 186 rupees. Stop loss was 176.7. Okay, and the price triggered on 15th April and it made a high of 194 during this week and it closed at 188. Say that means we bought at 186 and closed at 188. Just very nominal profit, a profit for compensating brokerage. Okay, NCC, Nagarjuna Construction Company. I told you to buy above 21 rupees, stop loss of say 20, 19.95. Okay, so it went all the way high to 29 during this week. All our targets achieved. Second target achieved. Okay, friends, you can hold it for further target of 38 rupees also in long term. Okay, so for short term, I am closing this weekend. So our target achieved of that is say 26 rupees. Okay, so approximately we got more than 20% of profit. Excellent profits in this NCC also. Next, Vedanta VEDL. I told you to buy above 77.5, 73.625. 73.625 as a stop loss. Okay, week high, it went to 87 rupees. So our target achieved, second target achieved. Okay, so approximately we got a profit of 10 rupees, means 12 to 13%. Very good profits. And you can hold Vedanta for long term with a target of 94 rupees. Okay, friends. So this is the entire weekend result for this stock. So friends, this is the power of technical analysis. Okay, if you follow the technicals and if you follow the right entry and right exit with strict trading discipline, okay, definitely you can achieve decent profits in stock market. Okay, friends, this video is just for your information and education purpose only. Before investing or trading, you may please consult your financial advisor. Okay, friends, next week, during this weekend itself, I will come up with another video for next week stocks to trade. Okay, what are the stocks to trade for next week? I will make a video during this weekend. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Happy trading.